Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm having my daily cup of coffee. First thing in the morning I like to make a cup of coffee. Sometimes before my workouts I don't like to eat a lot of food, and today, especially since I'm training legs, I'm gonna try to keep my stomach light, so I might actually train fasted. Sorry, my cousin's always pissing. Yep, what's up?
You hear me now?
Nah, I just have a cup of coffee.
Yo, I have a break until 4 o'clock.
Dude, I'm gonna go train legs now, yo. I can't train that late.
No, I have a break until 4, so I can go right now.
You trying to hit legs?
Legs?
Yeah. Come on, dude.
Legs?
Come on. We don't even have to squat. We'll just focus on like leg press. It'd be more of like a volume kind of workout. And we could do squats if you want, but we could also do like stiff legs instead, and just focus on like leg press and see if they have like a hack squat. Come on, dude. I gotta put you through the trenches for leg day. Yo. I'm probably gonna go in like 30 minutes. Or should we just do back just because you don't want to hit legs?
Alright, yo, we gotta go now. We're gonna work out the gym in like 45 minutes an hour.
Oh, yo, but you down for legs, or should we do back because you're kind of like hurting?
Yo, I feel like I could hit legs, but like I don't know if I can push it.
What do you mean push it? It would be the same as training back.
I know, because it's like it runs on my hamstring. It's like my glute into like my hamstring. Like.
Oh yeah, your lower back still hurt. I mean, we can still do back. I'll probably do legs tomorrow then.
Yeah, but like I feel like I want to humble you on legs.
Dude. All right, yo, let's train back. Let's do. I kind of want to do barbell rows because I haven't done barbell rows in a minute because of my lower back.
No. You tripping. This, like, when you start thinking like that, yo, that's what you get.
I don't feel, dude. My lower back literally feels like 100%. I have no discomfort at all. Like I can move perfectly fine. I just never played around with the movement just because I was just kind of worried about it. Nah, I like, dude. I had sushi last night. I'll be good. I feel like it's only gonna slow me down. Huh? Alright, let me know when you're heading here.
I'm gonna head there, I guess as soon as I get dressed.
Alright, dude, I'll be ready.
I don't know if you're ready though.
Oh, wait, so we're doing legs or back?
No, let's train back.
Alright, fine.
Let's do legs tomorrow. I wanna get, because if I train back today and my lower back is good, then I know for sure that I can do legs.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, so you do. See that? Cousin's scared of training legs, yo.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who is that?
Jay.
Oh, he's not working?
He's working at home, but he has a break until 4. But
Until 4?
yeah, so like he's gonna come and train. So I guess I'm training back today instead of legs. I wasn't even gonna be planning on training with my younger cousin. He recently just got a job, so I thought he was gonna be working, but he has a break. So he's about to come here. We're probably gonna, fuel up before the workout. I'm probably not gonna eat anything, like I said before. I had sushi last night with my sister and my dad, and that filled me up just enough to go into today. I feel like if I eat like a meal or something like heavy, it's only gonna slow me down during the workout, so I'd rather just caffeine up. Probably have a scoop of like carb surge, that usually does the job, and then I'll get through the workout and I'll have a lot of energy still, and then afterwards, I'll probably like make a big steak, and that will really get me through the day. But right now, I'm just, checking in with clients. This is usually the first thing I do in the morning, make a cup of coffee. I have a good batch of clients that I work with in the morning, and then I usually go train. I have another batch of clients after, so I'm really busy right now since I'm not competing. I'm just working with a lot of people, just helping them with their goals, and I feel fortunate to be in this position because now I can, apply my knowledge to help other people with their goals, and it's really rewarding for me just because whenever they actually achieve their goal, I feel like I'm achieving a goal as well. So I'm gonna continue, working with my clients until my cousin gets here, and then I'll show you guys, what I'll be doing from there. But a cup of coffee is key first thing in the morning.
You like training fasted?
I like to eat a big meal the night before and then train fasted, yeah.
Yeah.
I like to train with food in me too, but I can't do it after having a lot of food. Are you gonna do some carb surge too? You ate?
I ate. Yeah, I ate a big ass. I made a big ass stack of pancakes. Dude, I'm eating good, dude.
Let's do a scoop and a half. smack chill here, dude.
I know this morning it was like 40-something degrees. This is finally transitioning to this out fall winter.
Yeah, but yesterday it was cold, but then like after like 2 o'clock it started to get a little warmer. But in the morning it's just freaking freezing, dude.
Yeah, I kind of like it though because I sleep. At night I sleep mad good.
Yeah,
it's kind of
yeah.
cool in my room, you know, and then you feel mad good.
Dude, I had 2 blankets here, and I woke up around like 3. I'm like, holy fuck, it's still mad cold.
You probably don't get that much in Florida.
All right, for today's workout, like, what do you want to do?
Let's do well. Let's warm up pretty good for one.
All right, I say we start off with pull-ups to warm up, and then cable pullovers to get our lats warmed up. And we either do lat pull down first. Yeah, so why don't we start off with lat pull downs, and then after that do all thickness, do all rows.
Okay, I like that. Yeah, for sure. All right. I've noticed that when I do mostly rows, I can feel it in my back. Like I'll feel kind of like upright. You feel upright, you know, like. But it's definitely a good feeling though.
I feel like I'm gonna have a good workout too because I ate a lot of sushi yesterday. Izakaya was mad good. It kind of took forever to make the food though because I think we went at like the peak hours. And like
Izakaya on Monday they had that deal though, so a lot of people they get most of their business that time.
Yeah, dude, nigiri was $4 for 1 piece, yo.
Yeah, like 10 pieces.
I know. I want to try it. It was actually mad good quality though. Everything was.
It looked pretty thick, like this slice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's head to the gym, dude.
All right, go.
Miss the ways you would say you wanna make. Call me over, pull me closer, and kiss me like you and I were 17. Why does it seem like you don't remember? You call me when you're coming down, say you never let me down. Those nights you tried to calm me down, even though I know you just say that. Those are words you can't take. This is for the hearts on fire, out of control. Boy, you gotta let it know. This is for the hearts on fire, singing aloud. Sunday my window. I wish you could read my mind, or give me a sign, or tell me you wanted to be mine. This is for the hearts on fire, singing aloud. Sunday my
Alright, so we're gonna go into the first working set. We're gonna be doing 220. I'm gonna aim for 8 to 10 reps. Based off of like the warm up and build up sets, it was kind of light, so I feel like we can go really heavy on this. But this set right here will gauge the next working set. So again, I'm gonna aim for 8 to 10, and let's see how it feels.
Tell me you wanted to be mine. This is for the hearts on fire, singing aloud. Sunday my window. I miss the days you would ask me anything. Say you know me, do you want me? But now you got me looking back and wondering. Maybe I act like it's nothing to me. You call me when you're coming down, say you'll never let me down. Those nights, try to call
We're just gonna switch up the grip, but I'm gonna go for a maximal amount of reps. So it could be from like 8 to 15. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna go by how I feel.
This is for the hearts on fire, out of control. Oh, you gotta let him know. This is for the hearts on fire, singing aloud. Call me while I'm waiting now. I wish you could read my mind, or give me a sign. Tell me you wanted to be mine. This is for the hearts on fire, singing aloud. Call me while I'm waiting now.
All right, moving on to the second movement, we're gonna be doing like a seated machine row. We already did a warm up with 2 plates. We did about like 6 to 8 reps just to feel how it feels. Now we're doing 3 plates. It's still kind of a warm up. We're still trying to figure out what we're gonna be using as a working set. So right now, I'm only gonna be doing 6 to 8 reps, and then we'll go from there.
Like a faded memory, you'll always have a piece of me. I almost gave you everything and more. Fell for you like pouring rain, but somehow we got washed away. There's something that my heart's still waiting for. I will smile and say I'm moving on, but my heart betrays me in a song, and I know I can't let go. And if you ask me how I really feel, would I even tell you that it's real?
Alright, now we're about to go into our first working set. I have 4 plates in quarter. The 3 plates felt really light, so I think I can get a good 10 reps with this. But we'll see how I feel. This is probably gonna be the first one, so we'll see how this feels.
It's still you and I, you and I, in my mind. 'Cause we never said goodbye. We never said goodbye. 'Cause we
Alright, we actually lighten up the weight and we're gonna do a different grip. We're gonna be focused on our lower lats. So we're gonna be pulling like an underhand grip, but we're gonna lean into it, focus all lower lats.
forever carry the weight of all your bad habits. You can pretend that you don't care. I know you hate the way it happened. Whatever's left of what we had is scattered in fragments.
We're gonna be doing kind of like a barbell row, but we're gonna be doing like 8 to 10 reps. And we're gonna pause for like 10 seconds and then 8 to 10 reps again. So it's gonna be kind of like a pause, a rest pause set. And we're not gonna go too heavy because we're gonna be doing a total of up to 20 reps within a single set. So we have a 45 and a quarter.
Left it all undone and now I'm wondering how I'm ignoring what's in my